In this video series, we are going to create a Instagram headers, and you can see this is exactly the same as the real one. You can see the logo, and you can see the input box, and you can see all the logos, and you can see if you refresh the page, you can see these tooltips appeared, and then after a few seconds, it will disappear. And it also has the animation when it disappears. And if you notice, if you click on this, you can see there is a tooltips about the search bar, and if you click outside this input box, the search icon will appear and the cross icon will disappear. And you can see when we scroll down, the header still stick on the top. So now we are going to start creating our project. So first we go to the TailWindCSS, and now we copy this line, accept the project name, and then we paste to the terminal, and then we type our project name, and we type IG header, and then we go inside the folder by typing cd IG header, and then tooltips, and then we type code dot to open the VS Code, and then we create a new folder called components, and then we create a new file called header, and then we type _RAFCE, and then we add the class name is equal to shadow. We want to add the shadow, the borders, the white color background, and we have the top 0, and we have the width, which is 100% of the screen, and also it is fixed at the top. And then we type this header. Now we already create this header, so we can import this to our index page. So we go to the index page and we move all the default div, and then we use another div dot, and then we use X screen, so the height is the same as the height of the screen, and then we import the header, and we already do not need to use the import head. And now we also have to add another div, so we want to make some content. So we type novel is some text, and we type 1000 word, and now we save it, and then we go to the terminal and try to build the app and see what happened inside. So we type yarn dev. So now we go to the localhost 3002, and you can see we can scroll the website, and the header remains on the top, and you can see there is a slight shadows or borders under this header. This is because we have add this border and shadows on it. And if you are aware, for example, if we type happy Sunday and save it, you can see we do not see the word because it already hidden by the headers. So we have to add some margin on the top. So we type class name and then margin top of 10 pixels, and then we save it. And now you can see the happy Sunday appeared again because we already had the margin between this paragraph and the top of the screen. So again, we can scroll the content and the header remain on the top.